Hi, it's Anna. I would like to show you Swirls nail art for Valentine's Day. So our first step will be application of base gel. And this is because I want to apply flakes and I need a tacky layer so they can adhere. So now we apply the gel base and I'm going to cure this in LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to use those pretty flakes. Of course, this is some extra, you don't have to do it. I just find that this will look really pretty under the translucent blue. And they are so light, they are literally flying everywhere right now. And tacky layer of gel base is just perfect to adhere those. And what I'm doing is apply those flakes only on the surface of the nail bed, so it kind of covers the line of natural nail, and then I leave the free edge translucent. And now we need to cure this for 30 seconds in LED lamp, so flakes can adhere, can cure into the tacky surface of gel base. In this way, they will not move with the brush during application of next layer of gel polish. Now my next step is application of color seal. This is a translucent milky blue gel top coat. So once I apply it on nails, it's practically ready. So I save a step. I don't have to apply first gel polish and then gel top coat. And look how gorgeous those flakes look under this milky blue. In case if you're ever worried that you might have grabbed some flakes, just use lint-free wipes before you put the brush inside of the bottle. And in case if you're searching for really good lint-free wipes, and you work a lot with gels, you really need in your life the soft landings. Those are the lint-free wipes I've been using for past 7 years, I think. And what I actually do with them is I cut them in 4, so then I have 4 times more of smaller size. That is just perfect for my needs. Now let's cure this for 60 seconds in LED lamp. Personally, I love the look of flakes under the milky blue. Now I'm going to use white gel paint. This gel paint works really well on top of a gel top coat. So if you want to create that more textured design, you can leave it without need to seal it with an additional layer of gel. I'm going to apply some white gel on the palette. And I'm going to be using the short liner 000. So I would like to create here heart designs made of little swirls and curls. So first, to make it easy, I will decide how big is the heart, and I'm going to first decide the height of it. Then I will decide where is the right side, how wide is the heart, and how wide is the heart on the left side. Okay, then we can also decide even how tall will be the right side, just a tiny little dot, and the left side. What is important that your heart is not tall and skinny, but it's either rounded or slightly wider rather than too long. Now it is really important that your pinky finger gives you support, okay? So you can put it either on your hand, on client's finger. And what I would like to do here is simply create a frame of a heart and then a full heart here. So what we're gonna do is take a little dot of gel on the tip of the brush, and I will start creating those little drops. So I'm going to touch the surface of the nail and then pull gently in a round way towards the dot that we created here to show where is how tall is the heart. Then you can continue with another one, either from the outside or from inside. I think I would like to now create another one outside. So a little bit further out here, I put another dot just before this one ends, and now touch, and again with a round motion go towards the dot on the right side. Okay, and we continue like this, or you can go either from the outside or from the inside, all the way to the bottom dot. And it is really nice to layer this heart with those little drop shapes. And it's very important that you start always, for this effect, you start with a dot, and then you pull dot or the color from the dot, and the line becomes very thin. So pressure is practically zero. I only put a dot, okay, and then I pull it so it creates like a little drop shape. And you can layer it as much as you want. Of course, more we go down here, we want to create a nice elegant look, so I don't want to build too much outside here. And we continue to the other side in the same way. So again, we can start from a little dot and curl it gently towards the left. Recharge the brush, and just before where we stopped, continue with another dot that again is curling towards the dot on the left. And here I see like this, there's a space here, like this line stopped suddenly, so I can extend it gently and even create another layer on top of it. Just make sure there's always a little drop on tip of the brush. Touch the surface and then pull gently and slowly around your heart, and continue either outside or inside. I practically play once from the outside, once from the inside. It's really, sometimes even depending if I have a little imperfection to hide, then I can in fact put those little drops there and nobody will know that there was a little mistake. So now you see like I extended the second one, but I think outside here maybe it's a bit empty, so maybe I could add one here. Now after I created the structure, I can add small little curls like in between those big ones. Touch and round this up and curl it back. Maybe here I can do the same, touch and curl it up. Okay, I practically fly on the surface of the nail. There is no pressure. We are super gentle here. I strongly advise that for this kind of job you use a short brush. Short brush is better for detail work, while long brush is better for line work. If you would try to do this with a long brush, it will be double difficult. Okay, so once you decide that this is enough, we're gonna cure this in LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now we have frame of the heart ready, and now I would like to start filling in that space. So here I can, for example, on this right side, start with a nice curl, and I would like to go into that space between those two. So I start with a dot, and then with a delicate round motion, I round this and connect to this space. Then I can even extend this and make another one going into the back or to the front of this last drop shape. So touch and then make a round motion. Then we can go down here. I would like to add one shorter on the left and curl it in, and add another one short on the other side, and then continue to complete this space. So another dot and pull it around. To achieve elegant effect, it is really important to use minimum pressure. Only the beginning is thick and then the line ends very thin. And now I will cure this again for 30 seconds, just to make sure that I don't damage this design while I'm doing other two nails. Now on other two nails, we're gonna do a simplified version. No more hearts, also to not make it too busy, but like a simple round shape created from those little curls. So again, let's start from a little dot and curl it in whatever direction is easier for you. I would like to curl it up, so we'll start here and with delicately arched motion pull with no pressure so this line ends very thin. And sometimes if it's difficult for you to work from one side, you can turn around client's hand and work upside down like this. Okay, so much easier in this way. So just remember, it is really important for you to be comfortable in order to be able to turn around client's hand easily, it is important to have a good armrest. And if this movement is going towards right, now I'm gonna do it in opposite direction. It is really important that those shapes don't repeat in a parallel way. Here I can again connect another one to the first one, either in the center or outside. And then continue to fill in that little space so we have this round shape around the proximal fold completed. And those little spaces left we can complete with those tiny little dots and curls. Now once you finish working on all nails, you're gonna cure this for 1 minute. And here are all of the nails completed on my silicone lady. What do you think about doing this kind of hearts? Do you think your clients would like it? This could be also a nail art idea for a bride. Maybe then I wouldn't use blue, I would use like a milky white or milky pink or beige, depending on what colors bride is wearing. Thank you for watching of this short tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.